Hi everyone, and welcome to our latest daily Learn at Home challenge, number 5. Just want to say thank you so much for all of your beautiful butterflies. We've had quite a few coming in this time, and they're all absolutely amazing. Your children are super talented, and we are going to show them all a little bit later on. We're also going to show them over on our Home Education Journey UK Facebook page, and also on our Instagram page, so you'll be able to go and find them on there as well as on this video. If you missed this challenge or any other challenges and you wanted to do a butterfly or the previous challenges, then please feel free to still email them over to us, and we'll try and show them on one of our later challenge videos, or at least pop them up on our Facebook page or our Instagram page. The butterflies as well can be added to Instagram with /Hope Butterflies if you want to just pop your butterflies up on Instagram. It was our children's idea, as Lee mentioned in the last video, to create butterflies to symbolise what's going on at the moment. Right, now for today's challenge, we were thinking, because of everything that's going on at the moment and it's all quite negative, changing all the time and very uncertain time, we thought something to pick our children up maybe would be to do an activity on things they are thankful for, things that are positive that are going on in their life right now. So for today's challenge, we would like your children to think of 5 things that they are grateful for, and they can display them by simply writing a list, or by drawing a picture, or doing a song or a poem or a story in any way they want. But I thought to really get them thinking about what it is that's going right in their life right now would be a really good way to pick everyone up. So that is the challenge for today. If you want to email them, the email address is down below, or you can send them over from our Instagram page or our Facebook page as well. And you can put them straight onto Instagram with the hashtag Daily Learn at Home challenge. You can pop them straight up yourself. You can still also send it over through email, and we can show it on the video as well. It's completely up to you. Thank you again for taking part. It's really helping our children, and I hope it's also helping your children as well. And we'll see you all again soon. Here is the video of all the beautiful butterflies we received today. Thank you again. Bye.